Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. This presentation addresses DTC error codes B18C5 and B1E75, which signify a short to ground in the indicator circuits of the left and right side BSI radar unit, respectively. The BSI, or Blind Spot Information System, radar unit plays a crucial role in enhancing driving safety by detecting vehicle presence in the blind spots and alerting the driver through indicators. These indicator circuits are integral components for the normal functioning of the BSI system. Failure in these circuits can lead to the indicators not lighting up, potentially compromising the driver's ability to see vehicles in their blind spots. Understanding these codes and their implications is vital for effective troubleshooting in the 2017 to 2022 Honda CRV models, ensuring the vehicle's safety features function as intended. The DTC B18C5 indicates that there is a short to ground in the left side BSI radar unit indicator circuit, while DTC B1E75 reflects a similar issue for the right side. These circuits are responsible for sending signals to the vehicle's indicator lights, alerting the driver to objects in their blind spots. The BSI radar units, typically located near the rear of the vehicle, are essential for scanning the blind spots for nearby vehicles. The failure of these circuits can lead to a complete lack of visual alerts, raising safety concerns as the driver may not be aware of surrounding vehicles when changing lanes. Identifying the exact component failure, whether it be a wiring issue, a short circuit, or a malfunctioning radar unit, is critical for restoring the proper function of this safety system. Several factors may lead to the errors indicated by DTC B18C5 and B1E75. First, wiring issues within the indicator circuits are common culprits. Deterioration or physical damage can expose wires to grounding, causing circuits to short. Second, the BSI radar units themselves may be faulty, potentially due to manufacturing defects or wear over time. Lastly, damaged connectors can interrupt the circuit connection, leading to improper signal transmission from the radar units to the indication lights. Each of these possibilities requires thorough examination during the troubleshooting process to accurately diagnose and resolve the issue at hand. The primary symptoms associated with DTC's B18C5 and B1E75 include the failure of warning lights to illuminate when vehicles are in the blind spot. This directly affects the functionality of the blind spot information system, which relies on visual alerts to inform the driver. Additionally, drivers may notice that blind spot alerts are completely inoperative, meaning the system is not detecting nearby vehicles, thereby increasing the risk of accidents. Finally, diagnostic tools like the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, will display these DTCs when the vehicle's onboard computer identifies faults within the BSI radar unit circuits, indicating the underlying problem that needs addressing for safe driving. The first step in troubleshooting DTC B18C5 and B1E75 involves verifying the problem. To begin, turn the vehicle to the on mode to activate the vehicle's electrical systems. Next, utilize the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to clear any existing diagnostic trouble codes. Clearing DTCs helps reset the system to monitor for fresh faults more accurately. After clearing the codes, turn the vehicle to the off or lock mode, and then return to the on mode after a brief wait of at least 2 seconds. Finally, check again for DTCs using the HDS. If either DTC is still present, this indicates that the fault has been duplicated. If not, it suggests an intermittent issue that may require further troubleshooting or review of intermittent failures. In troubleshooting step 2, the goal is to assess whether the DTCs have changed upon further testing. Begin by clearing the DTCs again using the HDS, which resets the system once more. After this, turn the vehicle to the off or lock mode to ensure all systems are powered down. Proceed by disconnecting the connectors for the left and right BSI alert indicators, specifically the 2P connectors. Next, turn the vehicle back to the on mode and check for DTCs using the HDS once again. If DTC B18C5 shifts to B18C7 or B1E75 changes to B1E77, this suggests that the problem lies within the BSI alert indicator and indicates a need for replacement. If no codes change, this leads to additional diagnostics. For Step 3, focus on identifying any shorted wires within the system. Start by ensuring the vehicle is turned to the off or lock mode. Then, disconnect the connectors for the left and right BSI radar units, both 6P connectors, along with the previously disconnected indicators to isolate the circuits entirely. Once disconnected, check for continuity between the relevant test points. Test point 1 corresponds to the female terminals in the left BSI alert indicator connector, while test point 2 is the body ground. Move on to the right BSI alarm indicator in the same manner. If continuity exists between the points, it indicates a short to ground in the wire between the BSI alert indicator and the BSI radar unit, confirming the need for repair. If continuity does not exist, you'll need to consider replacing the affected BSI radar unit. After completing the troubleshooting process and implementing necessary repairs, it's essential to verify that the repairs have been successful. Start by confirming that the DTCs have been cleared entirely from the system using the HDS. Next, conduct tests on the BSI radar units to ensure that they are operating as intended and properly alerting drivers of any vehicles in blind spots. It is crucial that all systems function correctly to guarantee the safety features are active and reliable. Finally, take the vehicle for a test drive to validate that all alerts from the BSI are functioning as expected. Ensuring all these steps are complete allows for peace of mind for both the technician and vehicle owner. Preventive maintenance is key to avoiding issues related to DTCs B18C5 and B1E75 in the future. Regular checks of the wiring associated with the BSI radar unit circuits can help identify any signs of wear and tear, preventing potential shorts before they occur. Additionally, periodic inspection of connectors ensures they remain secure and free of corrosion or damage, which can interfere with signal transmission. It's also beneficial to monitor the performance of the BSI radar units over time, keeping an eye on how well they detect objects in blind spots. By committing to this maintenance schedule, you can help ensure that the BSI system remains reliable and effective, contributing to the overall safety of the vehicle. In conclusion, DTCs B18C5 and B1E75 denote critical faults within the blind spot information system's radar unit indicator circuits. These faults can jeopardize the functionality of crucial safety features designed to help drivers be more aware of their surroundings. Proper troubleshooting methods, as outlined, allow technicians to diagnose and resolve these faults systematically. Furthermore, a commitment to preventive maintenance ensures that these systems are monitored and maintained over time, contributing to ongoing vehicle safety. Awareness of these DTCs and their implications will empower both technicians and vehicle owners to keep the Honda CRV functioning optimally, extending both vehicle life and passenger safety. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.